Today, we will be testing a crypto reversal strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto reversal strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. To date, we have tested a total of 514 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto reversal strategy. And so the source video says that this indicator shows exact reversal signals: early, buy, sell, big profit. And so what we'll do is just hide this indicator here, and the only indicator that we are technically using in this strategy is the decision point price momentum oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings, and basically we'll just play around with the styles. So what I did was under the histogram right here, the columns is actually what it's set to instead of histogram. I just went in and bumped up the opacity of all four of these colors. Then down to the position fill, I did the same thing, bumped up the opacity of both of these colors. Then what I'm going to do is jump into the inputs and make sure the enable histo color is checked. Then go ahead and click OK. Before we take a look at a few trade setups, I'd like to introduce our newest partner. This is Will from Will Trades. He is a very talented and profitable futures and prop firm trader. With over 6 years of experience, every single morning, he is helping his Discord team become just as profitable as he is. Each morning for his entire Discord team, he points out the key levels where he is looking to take the trades for the day. Not only does he call out those key levels for everybody on the Discord, but he calls out exactly when he is taking those trades in real time. So everyone on Discord can take those trades in real time side by side with him as he is calling those out. And just to show you what is possible when you join his Discord, I've been going through the profits that is posted by his team every single day. You can get a risk-free 5-day free trial when you sign up using the link down below in my description. And when you use that link down below in the description, not only will you get access to Will's Discord, but you'll also get access to the Academy of Forex Discord absolutely free with all the benefits, including the free trial to our indicator that comes with joining that Discord. And so what we are looking for is we are looking for a divergence from the decision point oscillator. And so basically a divergence is when the price deviates or does something different than the indicator itself. As you can see how price is slowly pushing, stair-stepping its way down, making these lower lows and lower highs and so on. And you can see here how the indicator is pushing down initially as price is pushing, but as price makes this new low here, you can see that the oscillator actually makes a high right here. And that is a divergence between price and the indicator. And so once we've spotted a divergence, what we are going to do is the point where we get that divergence, so this point right here where we've made this low, what we would do is we would take and mark a line at the highest point of this kind of pivot that's formed right here. And then what we're looking for is we're looking for when price breaks above that line. Now price could continue to go lower and we could continue to get more divergence, but in this case you can see that we made the break of this line pretty close to its formation, and that would be the signal to then enter into a long. We'd put our trade here, put our stop just right below this pivot area, and target a 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. You can see we make a push, kind of run into consolidation here, and then make this really nice push to the upside. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, again, is that divergence to form. So you can see here, as price is climbing up, you can see the indicator is following it rather nicely. Then we make this push to the upside right here. And as we make this push to the upside, you can see now that the indicator is making a low right here instead of following price action. Now, initially, you would have set the line for the break right here at the low of this candle wick. But then we actually push up a little bit higher right here. And we're actually making, we're looking at the close of the candles, not the wicks of the candles. So we close higher right here. And as we do, it's kind of hard to see, but we actually get a little bit of green from the decision point oscillator, and that would establish a new divergence, and at that point you would set the new trigger line right at the low of these candles here, and you can see that we make the break of that line right here, and that would be our signal to then enter into a short. We put our trade here, our stop is right above this pivot area, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so we make a push up, get rather close to our stop, but we don't trigger it, and then we make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trades, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades, 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. It means that your total loss would have been $13,600. And so your total profit and loss would have been negative $4,000. So I wouldn't say it shows exactly where the reversal signals are. Definitely not getting big profits out of this. Now, during the same period of time, we did 79 trades with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $37,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, so that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.